requirement of the honorable members.
Yes, Srivaji Adalrao Patil ji.
Thank you, Madam. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was established in November 2014 under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. This was one of the best decisions new government has ever taken. Looking at the number of youths and entrepreneurs in this country, there was a need to boost their aspirations toward starting their own business and entrepreneurship development. Besides the development of skill and entrepreneurship, whether this ministry has any plan or policy for taking to support new entrepreneurs in the field of marketing, since the youth of this country is capable of undertaking any R&D product or producing the product.
Yes.
And this is very much required because many youth, they start the industry, but they get stuck only in this field of marketing.
Yes.
Thank you.
On the issue of entrepreneurship, employment will not be created maximum in large industries, but small entrepreneurs are the base for this country. And I think if this issue, what the honorable member is saying, we had created a fund of about 10,000 crores in the previous budget, but that has yet to be rolled out. And since at this point of time, this particular issue of entrepreneurship is actually not being handled by me. I'm always, when the questions come down to me, I have to rely on other ministries, but the Ministry of Small Scale and Medium Enterprises is handling this incubation and other things. But we also are trying to get some corpus fund where we can launch some, because world over, riches have not been created by big industries. Riches have been created by people who have gone as innovators and incubated ideas to create wealth. And I can quote number of such cases. But NSDC has already started and provided for a platform on which we are trying to develop an entrepreneurship in coordination with Snapdeal and other platforms. So this is one place where actually India has been lagging, and we do not have startups and startup enterprises which is compared to. Even a country like Israel would outsmart India in many ways. In a country of population of 7 million, would have around 4,000 startups, and India in last 30, 40 years, 50 years, we just have about 2,500 startups. So this is an issue, and this is a new thing which is catching on to the people, and this generation is all set to become entrepreneurs, and that is the biggest job creator in this whole setup and ecosystem, and that is what we have to achieve, which is just the beginning. We have lost 65 years, ma'am, in doing this, and this is just the beginning, so we have to accept that.